Irang asida lanjanarkiba singna rehabilitation Lourabasu achuma wayel amadi tangdu leitaba hanjallaktriba phawba yumna Changkhiroi Haina ngasi wakat Khongjang Changsinkhre Central BJP leader singna lanjanariba singidamak rehabilitation tawgani miyamgi yaifa thorang paikhatkani amadi Manipurda tangdu leitaba puraknanaba thorang tawrabasu hojik Kangpokpi district khaktada lanjanarkiba miyoicha kaya leiri makhoi hojiksu hingbada wari fibam asi tambangamdri amadi thazaba pirakkiba sing thabakta onthoktabana mafam sing asida aki tujungba adumak phauri hiram asigi matangda Kangpokpi district internally displaced welfare committee KDIDWC gi meeting makhada ngasi Kangpokpi district ki Champhai sub division gi makhada leiba Kaithal Manbi military colony da lanjanarakhiba imung sing punsinduna makoi gi achuma wail fanghallu haina Khongjang Changsinkhre hari justice for IDPs haiba Thaba banner gi makhada changshin khiba Khongjang aduda isagi yumda changdringai mangjawnana transparency accountability amadi comprehensive rehabilitation piu haiba kholau kaya lauki.
Please disperse compensation for arise agriculture cultivation from 2023 to IDPs who have not received it yet, and also please support and provide school fees and transportation fees to all IDP students. And process property assessment submitted to the DC for essential commodities as soon as possible. Distribute rupees 1 lakh in installment of rupees 25,000 to all IDPs regardless of house damage. Provide medical assistance to IDPs, and also we would like to request to distribute PMAYG to all IDPs without considering it as a compensation and regardless of government employment status. Distribute rupees 1,000 into 5 installment to all IDPs in Kangpokpi district. And the government of Manipur aims to rehabilitate to the IDPs by March 31, 2026. So we would like to demand compensation for burn and damaged houses for rupees 10 lakh for kacha house, 15 lakhs for semi-pakka and 20 lakh for pakka houses for those who have applied it by March 31.